Hello everyone, welcome to Solar Science Podcast. Today's topic is planetary science. As previously discussed, planetary science is the study of planets, moons, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, and other bodies orbiting the sun. In this episode, we will dig into this topic a little bit more. The solar system has a relatively well studied initial through telescopes and then later by spacecraft. This has provided a good overall understanding of the formation and evolution of Sun's planetary system, although many new discoveries are still being done. The solar system is divided into inner planets, the asteroid belt, and outer planets. The inner planets consist of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer gas giant planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, there is a Kuiper belt. Once the planet reaches sufficient mass, the materials of different densities segregate within during planet differentiation. This process can form a stony or metallic core surrounded by a mantle and outer crust. The core may include solid and liquid regions, and some planetary cores generate their own magnetic field, which can protect the atmosphere from solar wind stripping. In modern times, the planetary science began in astronomy from studies of unresolved planets. In this sense, the original planetary astronomer would be Galileo, who discovered 4 largest moons of Jupiter, the mountains on the moon, and first discovered the rings of Saturn. Planetary science studies observational and theoretical astronomy, geology, atmospheric science, and emerging subspecially in planetary oceans. Planetary science is both an observational and theoretical science. Observational researchers are predominantly concerned with the study of small bodies of solar system. Those are observed by telescopes, both optical and radio. So the characteristics of these bodies such as shape, spin, surface materials, and weathering are determined, and the history of their formation and evolution can also be understood. Theoretical planetary astronomy is concerned with dynamics, the application of principle of celestial mechanics to the solar system and extrasolar planetary systems. Every planet has its own subjects, like the study of Mercury is called as hermeology, the study of Earth is called as geology, the study of Jupiter is called as xenology, etc. Planetary scientists work to improve on understanding the planets and smaller bodies in the solar system, like by studying their atmosphere surfaces and interior parts of the planets, understanding the origin of planets, or by using radar determining the physical characteristics of asteroids and search for the asteroid that can cause hazard to Earth, like that. So like these things are done by planetary scientists. So this is it about today's episode. We have learned about planetary science and its significance. Do share your comments and theories of this episode with me through Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you want the visual experience with graphics and animations, watch them on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, Dheeraj Kalakuri. Okay, now we'll meet you in the next episode with a new sci-fi topic. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay tuned.